Well, hello there, and welcome to today's Explainer. So today we're diving into Chapter 9 of what is just a fantastic 10-part tutorial called Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life. And hey, if you've been feeling even just a little bit hesitant about all this new technology, I want you to just take a deep breath. You are in the right place. Today is all about tackling your most common worries, and we're going to do it simply and clearly.
Now, I should mention right up front that our insights today come directly from Virtualization Options, LLC. They're a really wonderful technology research and education group based out of Colorado. And you know what makes their guide so incredibly perfect for older adults? It's that they completely strip away all that confusing computer science jargon. None of that here. They use everyday, relatable examples to show us how AI can actually make life easier. So we are definitely in trustworthy hands as we tackle some of these common fears. Right off the bat, the guide starts with a very important reminder. It says, it's completely natural to have questions and concerns. And it really is. Whenever something entirely new enters our everyday lives, it doesn't matter what it is, it always brings a healthy dose of skepticism with it. So if you're sitting there worried about making a mistake with AI, please know you are definitely not alone in that. Our goal today isn't to just dismiss those thoughts. Not at all. It's to clear up the confusion step by step.
And you know, that natural hesitation almost always leads to one massive, kind of scary question. Is AI watching me? I hear this all the time. Privacy is, without a doubt, the single most common fear people have when they hear about computer programs that can supposedly learn. You might be picturing some sci-fi movie with someone sitting in a dark room keeping tabs on your every move. But fortunately, the reality is actually a lot less dramatic and honestly much more practical than that.
To put that into perspective, our guide uses this absolutely fantastic down-to-earth comparison. Think about your local grocery store for a second. When you scan your loyalty card at checkout, the store is tracking what you purchase, right? But they do that so they can offer you coupons for, say, your favorite brand of coffee or your specific dog food. Well, most AI tools work in a very similar way. They're collecting some data purely to learn what helps you best. It's all about improving their service so they can give you a better, much more customized experience. Nothing spooky about it.
Once we kind of wrap our heads around how these tools actually work, we can start replacing that worry with wonder. The guide actually encourages a shift in mindset here. Be curious. It really emphasizes that every question is a great question. Seriously, when you're using an AI tool, there is literally no such thing as a silly question. If you want a recipe using only the 3 random ingredients left in your fridge, ask it. The more curious you are, the more useful and fun this technology becomes. Of course, while you're being curious, it's really important to give yourself a little grace, too. Learning anything new takes a little time. Think back to, I don't know, the very first time you used an ATM, or when you sent your very first email. It probably felt a little clunky and confusing at first, right? But you mastered it. AI is absolutely no different. You do not have to become an expert overnight. Actually, scratch that. You don't have to become an expert at all. Just take it one step at a time and remember that you are entirely capable of mastering this too.
Because honestly, as you get comfortable, you reach the absolute best part, enjoying the journey. This technology is not here to complicate your life. It is purposefully designed to make your life richer and easier. Whether it's helping you draft a tricky email to a customer service department, or brainstorming fresh ideas for your spring garden, or even just answering some random historical question that pops into your head over breakfast, AI is kind of like a friendly, tireless assistant that's always ready to help you out.
Which brings us to our final thought for today's Explainer. And it's a question just for you. What will you ask AI today? Now that we've cleared up some of that privacy confusion and looked at how it actually works, I really hope you're feeling a bit more empowered to go explore. Remember, it's just a helpful tool waiting for your instructions. So go on, take that brave first step today. And hey, make sure you join us for our next Explainer, where we're going to dive into the 10th and final chapter of our guide to see exactly where the future of this amazing technology is heading. Can't wait. See you then.